sandboxing in Teliva. Here's an app we've seen in a previous video. Teliva is just a platform for little text mode apps, a little programming language. It's a fork of Lua. What's new this week is this little bit in green at the bottom. The app is otherwise working, so everything's fine here. Let's try a different app. Again, this is an app I've shown in a previous video. It's the game of life. I'm loading an initial configuration from a file called glider.cells in the current directory. And here we get an error. The app is forbidden from loading files. And it suggests pressing Ctrl P if we want to adjust that. So let's do that. And we see that file operations and network operations are both forbidden. Everything is perfectly sandboxed at the moment, but we can toggle it. So let's do that because I do want it to access the file here. That's part of the purpose of the app. So let's go back. And here we see the glider has been successfully loaded from disk and the app is working. And we have an indicator at the bottom that everything is not green. This app, our risk exposure has gone up a little bit because we're giving it access to our file system. Let's try one last example. This again is an app we've seen in a previous video. It's a browser for the Gemini protocol. And I'm going to try to browse to a URL called gemini.conman.org. Again, we get an error. The app tried to connect to a remote server. We do want that, so let's go fix it. And I will toggle the setting and go back. And we have a working browser. And again, the indicator shows that we have network access, but no file system access. Let's try adding file system access here. When I do that, everything goes red. And Teliva warns us that it can no longer protect us. The app can do anything it likes. We're sort of relying on either our own understanding or we're trusting the author of the app.